Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Kingston A400 SSD. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see that they're advertising this to be 10 times faster than the usual 7200 RPM hard drives. The capacity is 120 GB, and they've also mentioned something regarding the warranty. Again, you should check the Amazon store listing page in order to get the exact terms and conditions around the warranty period for the device. On the bottom, they've mentioned that they offer free technical support in case you need any assistance with the installation or troubleshooting for the device. Because there's a plastic clamshell packaging, we can actually see what the SSD looks like. And on the rear of the packaging, we also get a little window to see more details as well as the serial number of the device. Then you have additional information regarding some of the statistics that was mentioned on the front. This is mostly legalese. Should read it anyways. Aside from that, you have the contact information as well as pricing details. And that's about it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. And once we do extract the SSD, we can see a bit more information. So the product notification and warranty terms have been mentioned on the underside of where the SSD was located. Now, finally, here's the SSD. It's a 2.5-inch SSD. There are two form factors. One is 5 and one is 7 millimeters. This seems to be 5 millimeters. Then you've got the normal connectors. This is the SATA data connector, and this is the SATA power connector. The body is metal, and you also have mounting holes on the sides as well as on the bottom. These are the only two standardized mounting holes that are known in the 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD space. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the Kingston A400 SSD. Thank you for watching.